What's up guys, Cody with CJC Off-Roader, and today we're bringing you guys another one of our shop builds. Today is a brand new Ram 2500 in one of my favorite color combinations. Now this truck has the Carli 3¼ inch Pintop system. Again, for those of you who are new to the channel, that is a fully custom tuned soft ride suspension system for the new Ram 2500s. It includes front and rear coil springs, all 4 custom tuned King 2.5 shocks, as well as a host of other supporting components that allow this system to fully cycle the suspension as well as not wear out prematurely and give you a long lifespan of the suspension components. Now up front, as you can see, it has the Carli suspension torch and sway bar. That is an upgrade to the kit. However, this is going to be the final cherry on the top as far as ride quality is concerned. This lighter rate torch and sway bar, for those of you who already own the trucks but do not have suspension, when you pull into a gas station, take a one-sided hit, anything like that, and it throws your head into the window of the truck, as well as tosses your coffee out of the cup holder. This torch and sway bar is the solution for that, and we do have a ton of other videos that talk a little more in-depth about the benefits of that bar. Again, up front, it also has the Carli suspension track bar, which is getting rid of a very common failure point on these trucks, the factory vulcanized bushings that, come on your truck. Those track bars, they often wear prematurely, and poor track bar longevity has pretty much been a sticking point for the Ram front ends, going all the way back to the 90s. Every generation, they tend to make some updates, but even then, what comes from factory can often be improved on even more. So yeah, then we have the soft ride front coils, the custom tuned King shocks, and again, these are not your standard King 2.5 shocks. It is a Carli tuned as well as Carli upgraded shock. It has stainless steel shock shafts. So for those of you who live in harsh environments, this shock's gonna last a little bit longer. Going to the rear of the truck, we have a softer multi-rate coil in the rear, as well as the custom tuned shocks. That's going to get you a little bit better ride in the rear, actually a lot better ride in the rear, especially this setup, the Pintop system. This is my personal favorite for these trucks. This truck, I cannot stress enough, is nothing like factory. The ride quality on and off the highway is gonna be improved, as well as the highway handling. Lastly, the wheel and tire package on this truck. This is a 37-inch Toyo MT paired up with a bronze 17-inch Method Envy. So for those of you who are very astute on wheel offsets and back spacings, you're gonna recognize this is not one of our wheels. This is, again, the Method 17-inch bronze Envy. This wheel is a 0 offset or 4 3/4 inch back spacing wheel, so it sticks it out a little further. With these 37 1250s, you're gonna need to take the angle grinder to your truck. Again, this is in the fender well, so it's not something that you can see from the outside or anything you're damaging. But some of those guys out there, or even me personally, some guys aren't just gonna be a fan of taking a grinder to a new truck. So for those of you who do not want to grind on your brand new truck, you're gonna want to go with like a +18 to +25 wheel, something in the 5 3/4 inch back spacing, which we have our own set that Method builds for us, and there's a whole other video that talks about that. But I think we can all agree this truck is the perfect combination as far as the looks. That Delmonico red with the bronze Envy wheel really sets off this truck. Again, one of my favorite color combinations. So not only did this guy get himself an extremely good looking setup, the ride is gonna be greatly improved on and off highway. The truck's still gonna be able to do what you wanna do with it. For those of you who wanna get this look at a little bit cheaper price point, the commuter and the backcountry system are gonna be excellent options for you. Again, it's the same spring heights, same supporting components, also an improved ride. You're just not gonna see the improved off-road performance or handling that you see with the Pintop system. Again, so that is another option which can be found at the links down below. Again, thank you so much for watching. As always, if you have questions, feel free to comment. We'll respond as best we can. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.